Hello Suprajit, today our topic are the electrical effects. So in this topic we have a discuss about the skin effects and primitive effects of electrical and conductor. Skin effect is the tendency of a high frequency current to flow on the surface of a conductor, and Proximity effect is the tendency for a current to flow in other undesirable partner loops of a connected distributor due to the presence of a magnetic field generated by a nearby conductor. In a transformer and conductor, the loss typically domain our skin effect losses. In Lisa wires winding prominently affect the main EB feathers divided into the internal prominently and affects the other current within the bundles and externally effect on of current in a bundles. In other words, the skin effect when a DC current flow through a conductor, current is uniformly distributed across the section of conductor. On our other hand, when AC current flow through a conductor, outer filament of that conductor carries the more current as compared to the filaments losers to centers. This results of a higher resistance to the AC and the DC is known as the skin effect. Promotive effects, the alternative flux. A conductor is caused by a current of another nearby a conductor. The flux produces the circulating current and the ED current in a conductor, which results the appearance increase in a resistance of a wire and thus more power losses in a winding. This phenomena is a primitive effects of a current. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and watch video more like this. Thank you.